My name's Angelina. I'm the founder of Blueway Art Studio, Doras na Feasa and the Future Ancestor project. It's been really great. We've got lots of new banners here based on the Earth Charter behind us, hanging in the trees. We've got our wall of hope, so everything is connected. The moth project, big themes of hope were coming out in the moth project in terms of hope for the deaf community, hope for biodiversity, hope for our rivers.
So today I'm showing that I take plants from the area, like I go foraging for wild plants, and I paint them.
We are delighted to be involved in this project with Angelina Foster. She has come to Athy Sing and Sign and invited us to be involved about learning more about life with biodiversity, ecosystems, and specifically aimed at the moth.
We did this project with our youth club with artist books, using a lot of different materials.
Yeah, we experimented with different traditional and experimental mediums. So we used watercolor and gouache and paints.
She's a Kerry bog pony, and this is her tail hair that we used to make a brush, and we put the branch, it's an elderberry branch, and we kind of scooped out the insides and put the hair in it, so now you can use it for painting.
So we're delighted to be part of Future Ancestor Festival and working with the Men's Shed, we are restoring a really beautiful open boat